What up guys, Miguel here from Yugatech, and we are back at it again with another vacuum video. Today we are featuring the DREAME D9 Max Gen 2, a robot vacuum that promises to keep your floor spotless with little effort. And so with that said, let's get into it. Our DREAME D9 Max Gen 2 sports a sleek, glossy white finish, but it is also available in a black colorway if that's more of your cup of tea. It's rocking the typical rounded design most robo vacuums are known for, measuring 13.8 inches in diameter and standing 3.8 inches tall, allowing it to navigate under most furniture with ease. On top, you'll find the LiDAR sensor, which the robo vacuum uses to traverse its surroundings under what seems to be a discrete dome over here, accompanied by two buttons for starting or stopping cleaning cycles and sending the robot back to its charging dock. The build quality does seem okay, primarily made out of a durable plastic. Not much complaints here. I mean, if you guys were wondering why they aren't made out of something like aluminum, well, it's a couple of things. One is weight, which affects shipping and ease of use. And if it was made out of something more metallic, it could end up scuffing our furniture pretty easily in the long run. Underneath, the D9 Max Gen 2 features a single side brush with silicone bristles for durability and easy maintenance. The main brush combines rubber and bristles, designed to minimize tangles, a thoughtful touch for households with pets and long-haired occupants. Additionally, it also comes with a 270 milliliter water tank that seamlessly attaches and detaches just like that, which does go underneath here, and you should hear a click, click, click like that, eliminating the need to flip the robot during setup, although low-key I flipped it to attach it like before I even turned the thing on. What's nifty about the water tank's microfiber cloth is it utilizes Velcro to secure itself to the tank, but also gets this thin pocket that runs through the seam at the opposite end to help make sure users put it back on properly after cleaning, which you guys should see in some B-roll. Inside, we get a 570 milliliter dust box, which again houses all the debris and dirt that the robo vacuum has sucked up. We have yet to clean this one. Oh crap, there's a hair. And it comes with a nifty little brush here to, well, it also comes with a cutter, I just realized. It's to help clean the dust box when we are cleaning it. Equipped with a powerful 6,000 Pascal suction motor, the DREAME D9 Max Gen 2 handles various types of debris, whether it's on hard floors or carpets. The intelligent LiDAR navigation system maps our homes accurately, ensuring systematic and efficient cleaning paths. During testing, the robot avoided obstacles and navigated complex layouts without issues. What surprised us the most is its off-road capabilities, which allowed it to climb over obstacles at a max 20mm threshold. The mopping function, while convenient, is best suited for light cleaning. Stubborn, grimy stains may require manual intervention, as the robot's mopping pressure isn't sufficient for deep cleaning. Not to mention, we don't even add a solution to the tank, only water is recommended. However, for routine maintenance and keeping floors dust-free, it performs quite well. But do keep in mind that it can have some trouble with messy wiring or cables on the floor, which may need some human intervention once again, especially when it starts dragging and flipping stuff around. But it's also worth mentioning that we can set no-go zones within the DREAME app after pairing with the vacuum. We also recommend users let the D9 Max Gen 2 clean around the room first, so we already have a map for it in the app. Users will get to see where the charging dock and robo vacuum are on the map in real time. And after I figured out where the TV was, I made the whole area around it a no-go zone, since this seems to be the messiest area in the studio in terms of cable management. The D9 Max Gen 2 boasts an impressive battery life, capable of running up to 285 minutes or about 4 hours on a single charge. The endurance allows it to cover large areas, making it suitable for medium to large homes. When the battery runs low, the robot automatically returns to its charging dock, and resumes cleaning once recharged, ensuring the job gets done without manual intervention. Maintaining the DREAME D9 Max Gen 2 is pretty straightforward. The 570 milliliter dustbin and 270 milliliter water tank are easily accessible and simple to empty and refill. Regularly checking and cleaning the brushes and sensors will keep the robot operating at peak performance. The companion app provides maintenance reminders if you turn notifications on, adding a layer of convenience to the upkeep process. In conclusion, the DREAME D9 Max Gen 2 stands out as a reliable and efficient robot vacuum that offers a good balance between performance and relative affordability. Its strong suction power, intelligent navigation, and user-friendly design make it a valuable addition to any household seeking to automate their cleaning routine. While the mopping function may not replace a traditional mop for deep cleaning, it serves well for regular maintenance. At the time we recorded this video, seen in the DREAME official store on Shopee, the D9 Max Gen 2 goes for an SRP of 25,999 pesos. But at the moment goes for 15,499 pesos with the help of an ongoing sale and vouchers. So, what do you guys think of the DREAME D9 Max Gen 2 robot vacuum? Let us know in the comment section below. Have you guys always wanted a robot vacuum, maybe from a different brand that's a lot more expensive to acquire? Maybe this DREAME D9 Max Gen 2 is a good alternative, or any of their other series robo vacuums. Either way, let us know your thoughts again in the comment section below. And if you enjoyed this video or found it educational, informative, helpful, be sure to smack that like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit that bell icon so you get notified of our future uploads. Be sure to visit yugatech.com and follow us on all our social media platforms. That's Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, X, for the latest tech news and reviews. Once again, DREAME D9 Max Gen 2, Miguel T. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.